Hi there, my name is Ria,
And I'm Nick.
and we are here to guide you through the STEMKits for Kids business pitching. Let's go!
We have done a survey randomly by delivering the Google form regarding our products. We can say that most of the students claim that they love to conduct experiments. The problems here are that they can only carry out experiments regarding their science topic at school and are limited to only a few experiments that will be chosen by their teachers. Sometimes, if they have to catch up the syllabus, they don't even do the topic experiment. Other than that, we also got some responses from parents regarding this. The parents state that they want their children to learn creativity, especially in science subject as it is quite difficult for most of students. They also want their children to do self-experiments at home, but they have limited knowledge about that.
So we come up with a solution that is sell STEM books that contain a variety of experiments. These books have complete and easy instructions on how to conduct a number of experiments. Students and parents can carry out their own experiments at home just by reading the steps given in these books. Besides that, we also provide a free trial kit along with the purchase book. This will help them start to do the experiment easily as it is their first time doing self-experiments at home. Our books also provides various kinds of experiments that are safe to do at home without any dangerous chemicals, so the students and parents can do the experiments and learn confidently without any worries.
For our business canvas model, the value proposition of our products includes being easy to use and understand. And it also allows our customers to be creative while doing their very own experiment at home. It relates to our customers' relationship since we are focusing on giving personal experiences to our customers to conduct their own experiment at home using the experiment kits provided for them. Moving on, our target customers would be teachers, parents, and students since they are the one who will evolve directly to this field. The channels that we use to promote our product are Instagram and Facebook, since these platforms have big audiences. We also work closely with the book publisher and the experiment kit supplier in order to make this project happen, since both parties are our key partners. Our key resources are the promoters as human resources, while the books and the experiment kits are our physical resources. The cost structure will be material costs, our employees' salary, and all of this will be covered by our revenue stream that come from selling the books with the experiment kits.
For the market, we target customers consisting of teachers and parents. We believe teachers will be able to use this product due to it containing many fun and exciting experiments that they can perform during school lessons that can ensure students are able to enjoy the experience. Other than that, in this time of quarantine, this product can help parents who are trying to integrate learning experiences while staying safe at home with the children. With these target customers, the total market opportunity estimated could rack up to at least 1,000 ringgit a month. We will also expand the product globally if it succeeds in local sales.
Our competition includes 3 companies that sell the same product, which are STEM books. The first company is Wisdom Apple. They take interaction between students and teachers as the most important factors in learning, as they sell this book, which is a good opinion. The second competition for our company is Big Brain Brews. This company's target is to become the biggest company selling STEM-related reading materials or develop 3 H among users, which is hands-on, heads-on, and hearts-on. They seem creative and competitive. The last competition is from Scientist Lab STEM. This company is focused on attracting customers through online marketing, similar to our company.
Finally, our team.
We consist of 8 undergraduate students that come from different backgrounds. Teamwork is the main component that makes our team strong and reliable. Each of us have different sets of skills that contributes in ensuring that our work is done perfectly. Since most of us study communicative fields, we can say that it's also one of our strengths. We give our full attention to details regarding our work, from planning to promoting, to ensure that our customers get an excellent experience.
So that was our business pitching. Thank you so much, and feel free to ask if you have any questions. Bye!